Hold on, my camera's just starting, and okay, we are here at the Sykes Student Union at Westchester University, and we have a Montgomery KONE elevator from 1995 to ride.
And I'm familiar with American Trades and Elevators, and that is Michael from Best Buddies.
Yes.
Say hi to all my viewers on YouTube, Michael.
Hello.
And that's Mike.
Yes.
And what's your name, ma'am?
Oh, I'm Miriam.
Miriam?
What are you doing?
We're filming an elevator for my YouTube channel.
You're filming the elevator?
Yes.
Yes.
What happened?
This video is going to go up on my channel, and so is his channel.
We're elevator enthusiasts.
Yeah. We're just going down.
Here it is.
Have fun.
Thank you.
Thank you. We're right back.
All right, Dante, Michael, how many round trips can we do?
Probably.
It's up to you.
All right. You think 2 round trips is enough?
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
All right. Stand on the ground.
Let's go.
Let's get a cab view now.
Here, G.
Yeah, we're here.
Michael, please stand. Why don't you stand up to 3 this time?
Mike,
3.
send it up to 3.
Oh, 3.
Door close sweeper's fine. I like that.
All right, let's
Do
listen to the motor. Be quiet. ADA phone.
Michael, remember, do not exit the elevator.
Oh, no.
We're taking 2 round trips. Remember?
Should I go back down to the ground?
Yep. Can I do like fact door close when you push button?
Yeah. I mean, this elevator runs really well.
Notice the indicator says 12 steps.
12?
Yes. Indicator
What the
says
hell?
12.
How many floors are in this building?
4.
4.
Yes.
Man.
Yeah, that floor in here needs to be fixed. All right, here we are, G.
All right.
1 more trip up to 3, right?
Can I send it up this time?
Yep. And the door close button works too. I like that.
Once the doors
Do you?
open all the way.
Yes. Yes.
Again, that motor sounds very nice. Now do not push any buttons yet, because no elevator special guest views are complete without a picture of both of you next to buttons. Make sure you press and hold the door open button so it doesn't go anywhere. Door opens right there.
Okay.
Michael, stand right here.
Okay.
Smile. Look at the camera and smile. There we go.
There we go.
All right, Michael, go ahead and take us where you want to go.
Take it to 1.
I got it. 1.
So Michael and Dante, what do you think of this elevator?
Well, it runs very well, but it looks like crap. The walls are all scratched up, and this floor is hideous to say the least.
Do you like this one better, or the one in Neiman Marcus and King of Prussia?
Oh, Neiman Marcus, King of Prussia.
Oh, no.
And here we are.
Yeah. You know what? I'm gonna just cut it
That's
off
right.
here, so that's
All right,
it.
now watch the door close.